I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I'm going to be reviewing the BoxyCharm Tarte box. Can you believe it? Yeah. Let's check it out, shall we? Can you believe that the BoxyCharm did a collab with Tarte? Yes, they did. Can't wait to see what's inside. And here's the card, so let's get started. This is what it looks like inside. Beautiful, right? Okay, so the first, let's see what I see. Ooh, I see something for the skin. What is this? Oh my goodness. This is Tarte C. Ooh, this is beautiful. So let's see what it's about, the Tarte C. If I can see the handwriting here. Ooh. So this is the drink of H2O. Now we'll put the prices here. There's a nice scent. This is the tab right here. Oh, it's very jelly-like. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? It's almost clear. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. This feels very cooling and very delicious, I have to say. Ooh. I'm just gonna go in here. My skin is in need of moisturizing. It feels so cooling. Like, this is the kind of stuff that you could put in your fridge, you know? And, but I don't even have to because it feels cooling right now. I don't mind the fragrance, but some people might. So if you don't like any kind of scent or fragrance in your products or skincare, this may not be for you. But I am enjoying this. It feels so luxurious and cooling to my skin. Oh, It's something for the eyes, and this is the Lights Camera Lashes from Tarte. I think I had one. Yeah, and I think I was okay with it. This is the packaging. It's very unique. I'm not gonna open it because I have several other mascaras open and I don't want to open it. As you may know, may or may not know, if you're a viewer of my channel, you would know this. Once you open up a mascara container, the clock is ticking as to how long the integrity of the product inside will stay the same without breaking down or clumping. So I don't open these until I absolutely know that I don't have any others that are half open to use this. So just keep in mind, once you open up these mascaras, the most they're good is maybe for a couple of months, and then you gotta toss them. So just be warned. The next product I see here is, what is this? Awake by Tarte, and this is their Sunshine Stick. I'm assuming this has vitamin C in it. It probably does, but I will put the description here as well as the price. See if it has it probably will have a scent because the seamstress likes to put fragrance in their products. So this is what it looks like. This is full size, I'm assuming. Fun packaging though. It feels kind of, you want to think it's like silicone, but it's not. It feels like plastic. Oh, it turns like this and has a stick inside, which kind of reminds me of the elf sticks in a way. There you go. Let's see how much product is actually in here, shall we? That's about as much product you get. That's it. Looks kind of skin colored to me in a way. I wonder if this is transparent. I'll put this on my hand and see how that goes. Actually, it doesn't really have much of a scent. I don't know if you see it there, but it's right. It has like a glowy thing to it. It has like a, yeah, kind of a glowy sensation to it. Not a sensation, just a glowy look. And again, I'll put the information and the price on this on the screen if I haven't done so already. The next thing I have here is, this looks like a double take awake. So this is a liner for the eyes. This is the packaging. And again, I will list the prices and what it is somewhere on the screen. And I'm assuming it's probably a basic color. Let's see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And interestingly, this looks like it might be for brows. I don't know, because it has that kind of design. You see that? Let's see. Oh, it actually makes you look awake. I think this is the type of, you usually use something like this when you want to make your eyes pop so it doesn't look like it's red in there. So I like that feature at least. Let's see what's on the other side. Oh, and here's the other side. Ah, it's definitely a felt tip. Nice. I like it. This might be in my arsenal because I like that. That's two together, so it's two less things I have to worry about to get lost. It's just one. I like that. Look awake and look sleek at the same time. The next thing I see here is from, oh, is that Marajuka? I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Their juicy lip. Okay. This is what the packaging looks. That's what it's supposed to look like inside. And it has a certain color, but again, I'll list everything there. I apologize for not saying the names out loud. The lighting here is not that good, so I'm just going to do this in post-production. But this is the color that it's supposed to be, right there. Interesting. And this is the packaging right here. I don't know if this feels like it clicks on the bottom here. So I'm going to open this. I hope I'm doing this right. There we go. Oh, and that's what it looks like inside. And I guess you press the bottom button here. Click that to move it up, I guess. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. So this helps to push it out a little bit. It has like a buttery vanilla type of scent. So again, if you don't like any fragrances, this may not be for you. It feels so decadent and creamy and buttery, and it smells kind of vanilla-y, like vanilla butter. That's a good naked, you know, nude lip. So I'm not complaining about it. And what else is here that's left, mind you? There's one more thing that Tarte was kind enough to share, and that is an eyeshadow palette. Yay, so exciting. Oh my gosh. And what is this? It's called Sunrise. Ooh, Amazonia Clay eyeshadow palette. Maybe I'll do a separate video showing the look. Packaging. Beautiful. And plastic. Now to open it. Kind of reminds me of the presentation of ColourPop in a way. You'll see what I mean. See? Neutral, basic, love it. Oh, it looks like this one's a little loose, but that's okay. Notice there's a little crack there. So that might be made of a separate material. Like it's a glitter of some sort, so I have to be careful when using that. But I love that comes with a mirror. And that's it. That, my friends, is the BoxyCharm Tarte collab box. I'm loving the fact that for this, the BoxyCharm Tarte collab, you get to try a company with BoxyCharm that has more than 1 or 2 or 3 pieces to really get you like introduced. There's some skincare, some eyeliner, there's some, you know, it's a nice way to be introduced to a brand. So I think maybe BoxyCharm has something here. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.